Let's sneak a peek behind the scenes. Come on into the test kitchen. Here you can see we're getting ready for tonight. Introducing Chef Tomas Chavaria from the Morrison House Hotel. Tonight, 12 of our Marriott Bonvoy members will experience a tour of our test kitchen and a tasting menu to include Kentucky distilleries and Mesoamerican cuisine. Let's check out what the bar's doing. Our bar chef Kyle is busy with some garnishes that are going to be for 5 of the cocktails that are going to be featured tonight. We've displayed some of our partners as well as each one of the cocktails and its own garnishes. Check it out.